It's been almost 8 months since Typhoon Haiyan battered Tacloban City on Leyte Island in the Philippines. The typhoon did massive damage. It killed thousands of people and destroyed tens of thousands of homes. Since then, there's been a concerted rebuilding effort by the people of Tacloban, international aid donors, the government of the Philippines, and non-governmental organisations. This month, US, Japanese and Australian service members went back to Tacloban, which is a hub for international aid efforts in the days following Typhoon Haiyan. This is one of several clinics that the service members ran in Tacloban for typhoon survivors. Here they're providing routine health checks and dental care.